the way here to your building, I was thinking about when we met first time. In '97, it was hard time for everybody. I still remember. But it shows a long relationship is always the foundation for a long friendship. And in this case, I'm so happy to work now for INNIO and work with B.Grimm again. And I think it could be great for the future. So I think you have great projects in the pipeline. And I think we have a good technology, and I think we can support you and help you to be more successful. So in this case, again, thank you very much for your trust and for your help and for your support.